In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your JBL Quantum 600 to iPhone. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly set up your JBL Quantum 600 to work on any iPhone model. So, as you might be aware, the Quantum 600 is a wireless headphone primarily. However, the problem is that to use it wirelessly, you will need a USB dongle. So this USB dongle needs to be connected to the platform where you want to use it wirelessly, and only afterwards the dongle or the receiver is connected will you be able to use it wirelessly. The problem is that no iPhone model has the standard USB-A port. So as it stands today, for you to use it on your iPhone, you will need to use an adapter for the 3.5mm audio cable. This is the only way that you will be able to use it on mobile, because besides the USB wireless dongle, you will not be able to connect it over Bluetooth. This particular model lacks Bluetooth, so it's not as simple as going over to the settings, enabling Bluetooth, and connecting it wirelessly. You will need to use an adapter to change the 3.5mm audio cable into a valid connection. So most iPhones will either have the Lightning port or the USB-C port, depending on the model. And as long as you use an adapter to transform it from a 3.5mm connection to an USB-C or Lightning connection, then you will be able to connect it. Besides this option, you will not be able to use it wirelessly, because like I said, the only way to do it wirelessly with this particular model is the USB-A dongle or receiver. And because no iPhone model has compatibility for this sort of receiver, you will not be able to use it wirelessly. You have to use an adapter for 3.5mm to USB-C or Lightning, and only then can you use the Quantum 600s on your iPhone. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect JBL Quantum 600 to iPhone. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.